Good morning, people.
Where are we, babe?
Starbucks in your Times Square.
Dito kami sa Starbucks, guys. What did you get?
Egg and bacon.
Yep. I got
Cappuccino.
I got croissant, guys. Ham and cheese croissant again.
And a latte.
And I got a latte for myself. Daniel. Dito kami, guys. Alam niyo ba, ang aga pa. 7 pa ng umaga. Hindi pa kami naligo. Nagpunta lang kami dito para makapag-coffee. And it's raining outside. Look. Times Square in the morning. So, ano pa din siya, guys. Super lit up pa din siya. And maraming tao. Like, kung ikumpara mo to sa Adelaide, kapag mga ganitong oras, walang tao. Pero ngayon, maraming tao. Dito lang kami sa Starbucks. Sobrang lapit lang ito sa hotel, guys. Mga 2-minute walk lang. Guys, yun lahat, ang croissant, yung bacon na dan, itong coffee, how much did we pay for it? $18?
How much is that?
Mga 20 plus? 22?
25, 26.
25? Yeah. 25 Australian dollars, guys.
Not cheap when you look at it. There's 2 coffees for on that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, hindi siya mura, guys. Pero okay lang yan. In-expect na naman kasi namin na dito, mahal talaga. Especially yung conversion, yung ibang currency.
The prices would be the normal Australian prices if it wasn't for the conversion.
Yeah. So like in Australia, this is gonna be the same price, just in Australian dollars. Yeah. Guys, punta kami Walgreens. Nagpayong lang kami kasi umuulan. So after Starbucks kanina, umuwi kami, guys, ng hotel kasi nga 'di ba ang lapit lang. Kumuha lang kami ng payong tapos lakad kami dito. Kailangan ko kasi ng adapter para sa MacBook ko, guys. Kasi yung plug niya pang Australia and wala akong adapter. So bili ako. And then tubig din. Wala kaming tubig sa hotel. Hey, H&M, is it open malang? H&M, guys. Laki. Walgreens. Thank you. Ooh, chocolates. Ang mahal ng tubig, guys. Well, mahal naman talaga yung Fiji, but this one's $3.19. $2.99. What Dios? Meron pa sila sa taas. Pharmacy, cosmetics, health and wellness. How about the adapter area? More water here. Dito palang murang tubig, guys. See, ang dami niya. No, we don't need that. This one, $1.59.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that.
Yeah. No, but we need, we will need a glass for that.
They got cups in the
Cups?
in the thing. In the bathroom.
The Fiji one, the big one's $3.79. Do we have, fridge there? No. Walang fridge, no? Wala. Char. Kara na sa namuang. Dito tayo sa makeup, guys. Diba sabi nila mura lang yung makeup dito? Oh, see ito. Ang mahal dito sa Australia, siguro mga $20-something, and that's $12.49.
I think tweezers are not paying for that.
Tweezers, that's only $2.79. Do you know how much that one is in Australia? That's really expensive. Like, this one's gonna be like close to $10, and that's $3.99. Yeah, tweezers are expensive, babe. There's a cute, there's a cute one. Why are you posing? Dito na kami sa 3rd floor, guys. Ang laki ng Walgreens nila dito. So, sa 2nd floor yung mga makeup, ito. Sana nandito yung adapter. Wala, babe, sticker? Sticker? Magnet, babe. Magnet, my love.
Souvenirs from Chinatown.
That is you.
Half the price.
That is you. Yeah, that's cute. Uy, careful, babe. My gosh. New York or Big Apple?
I don't know, but this to yours work in there? We'll get in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it say Australia? It does, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Ito, guys, $8.49. Or, yeah, $8.49. So, yung, guys, mga makeup nila mura. Pero, the rest, mahal. Like, yung mga ganyan, yung deodorant, mahal. Yan. Mahal siya, guys.
Did you bring mouthwash?
I did, yes. I brought a small one. Why? How much is that one? Yeah. Dito kami sa H&M, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Ang cute. Meron siyang cactus na may mga Santa hat.
Show them the jacket. I put the nice jacket on.
Now I'm gonna try another
Okay.
jacket.
Do you like it, babe?
Now. Makeup lang ako, guys. Hindi ko alam kung okay lang ba yung brows ko. Madilim dito. Like, dyan, hindi siya madilim. Pero, madilim actually siya, guys. Ano yung lighting namin? Naka-dim. Okay lang ba yung brows ko? Ewan ko na, uy. Hindi ko talaga siya makita ng maayos dito. Ay, bahala na yan, uy. Ay, pupunta kami ng yung plano namin today, guys, is pupunta sa Times Square. Ay, Times Square? Punta kami 5th Avenue, guys. Is it really far? How far?
10-minute walk.
Okay. 10-minute walk lang siya, guys. Kasi buong araw today uulan. So, much better na nasa shops ka kaysa sa mga touristy na mga area. Kaysa sa mga outdoor na mga area ba. Kasi nga, umuulan. So, yun yung gagawin namin. Timing din. Nasa itinerary ni Dan. Punta ng 5th Avenue today. Yung foundation ko na dala, guys, isa lang. So, ito lang yung Hourglass na Vanish Foundation. Yung stick, sobrang ganda nito. Sobrang dali lang. Ito talaga isa sa mga go-to foundation ko kasi ito lang siya. Yung iba ayaw sa packaging. Like si Kathleen Lights, ayaw niya nung packaging kasi dumudumi. Pero, wala lang. Wino-wipe ko siya every now and again. Sobrang ingay dito, guys. As in, sabi, ang daming nagahang, ang daming mga siren. Yes, like walang tigil. Tapos may nag-construction pa sa katabi namin. I think, asan ba kami nakaharap? I think doon sa side na yun, hindi ko na alam. Hala, dinala ko ba yung aking Oh yes, my gosh. Buti na lang dinala ko kasi ito yung pangtanggal ng mascara. Kasi ito lang yung mascara na dala ko and walang nakakatanggal nito kundi ito. So, ito yung heroin make. Okay, mascara tayo, guys. Guys, nakapag-outfit na tayo. I will put lipstick on. And gagamitin ko, guys, yung from Caris. So, dalawa yung dinala ko. Ito. Hindi ko pa kasi ito nagamit. Let's try the A02 na shade. I think ito yung... That's alright. I'll put a monkey over it. Ito yung medyo brownish na shade. I love my jacket, guys. Ito yung binili namin sa H&M kanina. I think ito yung brownish na shade. Hindi ko siya masyadong makita do. Yung lighting, hindi ganun ka ganda. Ay, wait. Maglagay muna ako ng lip sheer. Kasi medyo dry yung lips natin. Kahapon, guys, sobrang dry ng lips ko. And, naglagay ako ng lip treatment from Sep Beauty kagabi. And then, pagising ko sa umaga, sobrang nice na niya, guys. And, parang nagpipil na siya. Yung nagpipil in a good way na hindi masakit. Parang yung dead skin lang yung nagpipil. And now, it's nice and soft. So, I wanna keep it that way. Maglagay lang ako ng Sep Beauty na lip sheer. And then, lagay tayo ng lipstick. Kasi nung ginamit ko to the first time, nung birthday ko ata ko to ginamit, medyo drying siya, guys. So ito yung A02. Wow. I-blend ko na lang siya para hindi siya masyadong harsh tingnan. Ang ganda niya sa feeling. Siguro kasi may lip shears sa ilalim. Oh, okay. Diba? Bakit tayo naka-real lips? Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. So, hindi ko siya like full-on sin-wipe. Naglagay lang ako ng konti kanina yung nakita nyo. And then, blenden ko siya gamit yung ring, yung finger ko. So, yeah. Okay lang siya. Parang lang siyang nice. Nice siya. Okay. I'm ready. Are you ready, babe?
Yeah.
Guys, nandito na kami sa 5th Avenue. Naglakad kami, guys, siguro mga 5 minutes and we're here. It's so cold and sobrang umuulan siya. So, yeah. Look at all the taxis. Yung camera ko basa. Dito na kami, guys. 5th Avenue. So, see? Yun yung mga shops. Oh, it looks so good, babe. And yung nilakad namin, ito, mga jewelry shop siya. Like, itong strip na to. Galing sa hotel namin, puro jewelry shop. Mga diamonds, ganun. And doon sa harap, like Sephora. And my babe. Okay, where do we go? Where do we go? Cross? Okay, let's go.
Can I go inside Guess?
Sure, we can go to Guess.
It's right there.
Punta tayo sa Guess muna, guys. Pasok tayo kasi sobrang basa na ng camera ko. Guys, ang ganda ng bag. Love, ito yung sinasabi mo, oh. See through. Ganda niya. Hindi nga lang siya practical. Makikita lahat ng laman. Dito kami sa loob, guys, and guys. This will match my luggage. The one that Lyra gave me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So cute.
It is a cute one.
Dito kami sa NBA shop, guys. Yeah. Ito si Kobe. Tawiwin. Kobe Tawiwin. Yan yung ano niya, guys. Shoes niya na sign ni Kobe. Ito mga taginting na $2,000 lang naman, guys. So big. Look at your face, look at you. You can wear that to footy. It's really soft though. See? It is. Dito kami guys sa Urban Outfitters. Okay, labas na kami, yun lang. Guys, nandito kami sa 5th Avenue Lord and Taylor. Lord and Taylor. And meron akong gustong bilhin na ano guys, necklace. Kaya lang walang R. Naka 70% off guys. Ano, everything must go. Kasi closing sila. So, tingnan niyo itong mga ano sign. See? Nakapaglibot-libot na actually kami. Like, nakabalik na kami. Kanina pa kami dito. Pero, ito yung una ko nakita kanina. D guys. Merong D dyan. Wala kasing R. So, sabi ko D na lang. Depende sa presyo. Magkano kaya to? Guys, nandito kami sa Chipotle. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. And sabi nila masarap daw dito. Grabe yung bill namin na. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili namin. What sauce? Sure. Yeah. Doon si Dan kumuha ng drinks. So, nag-order kami ng burrito. Yung kay Dan, chicken burrito na may cheese at saka guacamole. And then yung akin, hindi ko siya alam. Tinanong ko lang kay Kuya kung ano yung masarap. Then, ito siya guys. Parang nasa bowl siya. Tapos meron siyang meat. Anyway, basta. We got chips. What's that? What did you get? What sauce is that? At Tabasco. We got chips with the queso dip. I think ito yung sobrang magugustuhan. And our bill was, and Coke na bottoms up, and our bill was $32. $32 guys. Madami din naman siya, tignan mo ang laki. Yan. See? Kain guys. Kain. Kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad. Sabi ko pa kanina, napaka-comfy ng shoes ko. Ngayon hindi na. Sumasakit na siya, besh. Ilang oras din naman kasi kami. Show that it's massive. Hindi ko alam kung anong meat yung akin. Is it pork? Mine? I think it's pulled pork. I'm not sure now. Tapos merong rice. Brown rice yung akin.
Look at the building! Just look at it! It's a cool building.
Tapos na kami kumain guys. Naglakad kami papunta dito sa building na to kasi gusto niya makita tong building na to. Hindi naman siya ganun ka special na building pero gusto niya yung building na yan. What's so special about this building, babe?
Look at it, it's on a corner.
Okay.
It's a beautiful building.
Nagpicture pa si Dan sa building guys. Gusto niya itong building na to. And umuulan pa din hanggang ngayon. Hindi titigil ang umuulan guys hanggang mamayang gabi. So, lakad-lakad lang kami. Pagod na. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go back. Let's head back. Are you alright with your building? Did you get your building fixed?
I did get my building fixed.
Oh my gosh, it's raining, babe. It's on my face. Dito kami sa Skechers, guys. Bili ako ng sneakers kasi sobrang hindi na komportable yung ano ko, shoes ko. Asa na yun si Dan? Naghahanap ng sapatos, guys. Bibili din ako ng socks. Kasi yung suot ko na socks, hindi siya no-show. Guys, suot ko na yung binili ko na sapatos. Kasi hindi na kaya ng magpa ako, guys. Sobrang sakit na. Bumili din kami ng socks. Sobrang daming socks. Dito kami sa H&M guys, na 3rd floor. Tingnan nyo yung view, ang ganda. Tapos may Moschino guys. Hashtag Moschino, pero nasa loob ng H&M. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya nga kami pumasok dito eh. Kasi sabi ko, ano to? Eh wala naman. Hindi ko alam. Baka may collab sila. Char collab. Sale babe. Oh. Yung sinabi ko kay Dan kanina, wala silang masyadong sale ngayon na. Oh, babe, $2. Now we can see the sale. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung sale. $2. What does it say, babe?
I love you very much.
I love you very much. Ganda. Anyway. Ang ganda ng kulay, babe. Oh, ito oh. Ah, cute. Cactus. Big apple. That one's cute as well. Dito kami sa Saks Fifth, guys. And ito, tingnan nyo. Si Mama. Ma, dito ka ba, oh? Ganda ng bini mo, ma. Try ako ng mga crossbody guys. This one, gustong gusto ko to. Kaya lang hindi adjustable yung strap. This one hindi din. Pareho sila hindi adjustable. But this one looks really cute. Si Dan guys, gustong-gusto niya dito. Gusto niya ng picture. Sige na! I'll use my phone, okay? What? One second, babe. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. You're good. I got it, my love. Do you want to do it again? Dito kami guys sa Trump Tower.
You want a picture?
Dito kami guys sa Trump Tower. Si Dan gusto niya pumunta dito. Parang bata siya, uy. What's the history? Okay, tell me.
So this is where Trump announced he was going to run for president.
Okay.
And he came down those escalators. Or one of these escalators.
When?
2 years ago.
Alright.
A bit more than 2 years ago. 2.5 years ago. Okay, let's go for a gander at Daddy's Trump's building.
Whatever, Daddy's Trump. Umakyat kami guys ng escalator. Tapos nandito na kami. Hindi kami makaakyat dyan. Dyan na ata yung ano, tower. Are you happy, babe?
I am happy. Now we can go home.
Ano na? Okay. Go back? Alright. Let's go back. Escalators na naman tayo, guys. Siguro mga 4 na escalators yun. Napaka-fancy niya tingnan, guys. Anong sabi ni Dan, yan daw yung wall, marble, totoong marble daw yan lahat. Tinouch pa niya kanina. But looks really nice, guys, oh. Looks really fancy. Dito kami sa Uniqlo, guys. Bili lang ako ng ano, Heattech. Daming tao, guys. Pila ng ano, bayad. Kakarating lang namin ng hotel, guys. Grabe. From kanina umaga, paglabas namin, hanggang ngayon, walang tigil na lakaran. Mamayang gabi, guys, magja-Jollibee kami. Pag nahanap namin kung saan yung Jollibee. May nag-open na bago dito sa Times Square. Kaka-open lang ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung pupuntahan namin or yung isa. I think the one that just opened today, babe, is the one that we're going to. Because that one's closer. Yeah, that one's in Times Square.
Is it?
Yeah.
So
So, alam niyo ba itong coat ko, may tag pa siya kanina. Paghubad ko sa, nagpunta kami ng library. Ang dami namin pinuntahan guys na hindi ko na vlog kasi umuulan, tapos pagod na din ako, lakad lang ng lakad. Pero ang dami namin pinuntahan. Nagpunta kami ng library and mainit dun, or like it was warm. So, tinanggal ko yung coat ko. Pagkita ko sa coat ko, sabi ko, ala, merong tag pa. Tapos nakita ng babae, baka kala ng babae, hinagaw itong coat. You right there? Walang internet. Yung internet dito sa kwarto nakakainis kasi yung internet nandun lang, malapit sa labas, malapit sa pinto. Kaya yung laptop ko guys, nandun. Nag-upload ng video. Pero dito sa bed, walang internet. Dead spot siya. Ay, naku. Pahinga-hinga muna guys, tapos may punta tayo Jollibee.